Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Today we're diving back into the empty apartment series, and I'm gonna take you through all of my behind the scenes design of all the spaces in my new apartment. Today we're gonna start with the bedroom, and the first thing I really wanted to do when moving in was to just get everything measured and also get everything taped off. The moment that I decided that I wanted to paint, it was really important to me to take that prep time to get everything taped off, add some plastic. Bedroom, unfortunately, is the one place where I do have carpet, but I definitely wanted to put that plastic down to protect it so I didn't have to worry about any of the paint dripping down and ruining the carpet. So I'm gonna let a little montage play of me just getting everything taped off, prepped, and ready for painting.
Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on a model bra with the Hollywood smile. Strip a booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya. You put me on a feeling I never had.
So next I want to take you guys through the ideas behind the design and also the choices I made as far as the furniture I purchased and where I got things from. The first thing I'm going to show is really just like the mood board. I really wanted my bedroom to be a place that just spoke like serenity and peace and calm. And for me, when I think of those words, the color green is what comes up, so I knew that I wanted that to be the color for my room. The walls here are very textured, so I knew that that meant that paint was going to be my way to be able to bring some style and design into the room space. So I took this as an opportunity to try out the faux lime wash option by using two different shades of the same color to create a lime wash effect on the wall. So we used a couple colors from Valspar, Herb Cornucopia, and Leafbud. Mixed those two together. I used the brown bristle brush with the wooden handle. That was the brush that we used to apply and kind of create that lime wash effect. And I was really so impressed with how everything turned out. Like, I love the like gradient effect on the wall, and I'll insert some photos here of just like the progress of everything. We really were working so hard to make sure that we were done painting by the time the bed arrived. We were pretty much done, but there was still like a lot to do, especially in the little built-in area by the bed. We were able to keep the plastic down, use the plastic, cover the bed while I still had like more painting to do. The total painting time overall took about, because it was just kind of like stop and go, I feel like it took me about like maybe like 3 weeks to like be completely done. I had like a week of help from my mom and my cousin. Shout out to them. They were able to help me get the rooms like mostly painted, but I had a lot of touch-ups to do, and a lot of that was happening like after I got off of work or on an off day, so it definitely like took some time. I still have like some spaces where I'm like, oop, I want to fix that. I decided to go for a purple mattress, and I did my order through Mattress Firm. I chose their basic metal bed frame because I felt like it was more cost effective to just get a basic bed frame and then just go with like a headboard. That way I could bring in that read it design that you saw on the mood board. And how we brought the read it design into the bedroom was through the beautiful headboard that I found at Bed Bath & Beyond online. And I'll link everything down below. It was really like the most like perfect thing to bring everything together, and I really don't mind that I don't have like a traditional bed frame and I feel like my bed is like very, very, very sturdy, very simple. And girl, we just threw a little bed skirt on there to just kind of zhuzh it up and make it look a little bit more put together. I'm team like headboard not attached, because it really gives you the ability to be a little bit more creative with how you want to kind of bring your bed and the wall together. Shout out to Mattress Firm. It was the easiest, most seamless process, and I highly recommend. What I loved about purchasing through Mattress Firm is that it was cheaper and more convenient to purchase through them than to purchase directly through the site. The shipping times were a lot shorter, and the delivery process was seamless. It was like totally awesome. Highly recommend. The final piece was this beautiful art print from Christina Martinez, or So Trill on Instagram. I really just love her art, and I wanted to incorporate a statement piece in the bedroom. I wanted the bedroom to be simple. I wanted to use this painting as like a way to kind of like draw your attention to the hidden energy of the room. I feel like the print just really highlights the energy of creativity that I am really manifesting for this space. And so I thought it was the perfect print to kind of like sleep under. I am so happy with like how this turned out, and I really am grateful that Christina Martinez was my first artist to support, just like have art that I can like have forever. Invest in a Black artist rather than like going to like Marshalls or Ross. I feel like it's easy to just like pick up a print and throw it somewhere, but I really wanted to invest in some Black art that I can have forever. I'm enjoying the moment, just enjoying the process, which I feel like I definitely struggle with. As inspiring as all of the interior YouTube channels that I follow are, I have a newfound appreciation for the process. I'll be honest, I got very discouraged and really just didn't really see a way forward, didn't see an end, and just found myself like very anxious and not really enjoying, I don't know, the day by day investments that you make to just kind of make a space yours. So I would say if you are also like me, you've been watching a lot of like DIY, renter-friendly YouTube design videos, just remember that it is going to take time, and to be patient with yourself and to enjoy the thing as you're putting the thing together. I'm going to insert a clip of where we are now with the bedroom.
Hey guys, I'm back. Still working on finishing up my bedroom. I'm looking kind of crazy, but very much so bringing you in the moment while everything is happening. I am just doing some cable management in my bedroom while I'm just like wrapping up and then like washing the sheets and everything, so I can present the final bedroom makeover to you guys. So let's do some cable management. So I ordered this little thing on Amazon. It's supposed to have the adhesive on the back. I'm just gonna get started doing the cable management. I'm gonna pop in a little bit of B-roll here of how it goes.
And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found. You. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it. Novocaine, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me long. Love me now when I'm gone, love me now. Love me now, love me now. Now. Novocaine. Oh, numb the pain. Novocaine. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty, pity. Oh, I can't feel a thing, can't feel a thing, can't feel a thing, can't feel.
And that was pretty much the design origins around my bedroom. I'm gonna show you what the bedroom looks like currently in 3, 2, 1.